Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback custom no body drill mud flaps on the 2019 Ram HD's new body. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And better yet, the Gatorback flaps are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. To start, remove the middle and lower factory fender screws as shown. Next, use a supplied 1.5" washer and a provided sheet metal screw to loosely install the mud flap into the lower factory hole. Next, loosely install the top of the flap using the specialized 2-hole washer and a sheet metal screw. Please note that this washer has 2 holes for specific installation purposes. Utilize the outer hole only if the vehicle has factory fender flares, so that the washer maintains proper pressure on the outside of the flap. Again, the outer hole is for factory fender flares, the inner hole is for a vehicle with no flares. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back to visually gauge the mud flap and check that it is aligned correctly. Double check that everything is nicely secured and tightened and that the mud flap is still level. Next, use a 1/4" drill bit to drill into the plastic liner of the truck using the 3 pre-drilled holes on the mud flap as a guide. When drilling into the bottom hole, note that you will be drilling into the lower plastic guard rather than the fender's plastic liner. Next, we will secure the 3 drilled holes in place. For each hole, use a 1" stainless steel washer and number 10 stainless steel bolt. And secure it with a 3/4" stainless steel washer, lock washer, and nut. Finally, double check that everything is nicely secured and tightened and that the mud flap is still level. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.